Welcome to our channel guys. I hope you are liking my video. If you like, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon in order to get all the notifications regarding IELTS. Guys, today we have some great news for the IELTS aspirant that IELTS is going to launch the test online. That now you can appear for the test online without going outside the home. There is a website called IELTS Indicators that is used for the IELTS. So the registration for the IELTS exam, IELTS test is going to start from the 22nd of this month. So without any wait, let's get started that how we can apply for that IELTS indicator online test. So let's get started. Guys, this is the IELTS indicators website. In this you can apply for the IELTS online. See what is this? IELTS indicator is online test you can take from the comfort and safety at the home. The test include listening, reading, writing, speaking, and you will receive an indicator score for each. Your performance will be marked by IELTS examiner and you will receive result within the 7 days. This test is available for the limited time while IELTS testing is currently suspended due to the COVID-19. Education provider can use IELTS indicator to help them gauge on the English exam ability of the future of the student while in IELTS testing is suspended. And IELTS indicator provides an indicative score only. It is not accepted by all the organization. Note this point. It is not accepted by all the organization. Before you book, be sure that check your university or educational institute. Booking will be start from 22nd of April. Let's check. This is the website for the university. Great way for the listening, reading, writing, speaking. Checklist. What should be required? First of all, you have quiet place and comfortable place to sit on the test, and a laptop or desktop computer. If you have desktop computer, you can not take your PC or Mac only. You cannot take tests on the mobile device. Safe internet connection. Speaker or headphone should be connected to computer for audio for listening, and computer with the microphone for the speaking test. This is the main checklist for the IELTS indicators, and this one is, let's check out how we can apply. Click on the book now test, and here you will give the information about all the booking information. Like I have said, like here this button is saying that IELTS indicator booking will be available from 22nd April 2020. From that date we can book this test by filling the examination. Till now we don't have any news about the fees and process of the exam, so for that you have to wait. Let's check out the frequent asked questions, and these are the main questions. General training, will the timing will be tests. All the questions are answered in this website. I have given this link in the description box, so you can check it out that. So this is the IELTS indicator test. I hope you have understood that all the process and all the information about IELTS indicator. So if anyone is interested in giving the IELTS exam online, he can apply from this website and follow this procedure. And till now we don't know whether the university will be accept this test or not. Some university may be accept or some may be not. So we don't have any confirmation about this, that whether the university will accept this test or not. So it's based on your risk that whether you should appear for the tests. So whenever we get some update regarding the whether this test is accepted in the all the universities or colleges or not, so whenever we get, we will intimate soon through the videos. So for that, hit that like button and subscribe button and stay tuned with us for the further information. So if you like my video, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon in order to get all the notification regarding IELTS exam. Thank you very much.